May the force be with you, my child. Shout out to Google Plus? No. Shout out to Disney Plus. They knew what to do to suck us 90s kids right back up. They are really doing it really big for the 99 and the 2000s. I really didn't think that I was going to be interested in Disney Plus. And then I saw So Weird on there. That's So Raven, like Raven's Home. My playlist was so long and I was just doing the free trial. So they also have their own shows and movies. They also started a Star Wars series, The Mandalorian. I'm sure you know about it. I watched the first like 2 minutes and somebody had already gotten chopped in half. So I was like, whoa, I'll save that for another time. However, everybody's talking about how adorable Baby Yoda is. So I had to make a Baby Yoda cake. He is cute. He's a cute little furry little green thing. Like, he's smart. He's an intellectual. Like, he's got the force all within him. He's an all-around great guy. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. I have my cake layer here, as well as my Yoda template that I created by tracing off of the computer like I always do. I could easily print it, but why waste ink? I'm going to place my template onto the cake and cut the cake out. And then I'm going to cut out the eyes. I'm only going about 1/2 inch deep into the cake, so that when I take off that paper, I can also kind of cut out a small section of the eye. I'm gonna do the same thing for the ears. And then lastly, for the top of his scarf and underneath of his face. He is a really fly dresser, might I add. I really like that little robe that he's got on. So I'm gonna carve out that robe area because I do want to do that part separately, and I'm going to kind of curve it a little bit, you know, like how a neck would be. Just gently carving out the sockets of the eye area. Who says area with an extra R? I just want to know. Comment below if you say area. I'm going to pull up the template and I'm going to continue to carve out Yoda's ears just a little bit. And I'm not going to do too much carving with this cake because this is not too crazy detailed, but detailed enough. So I'm going to cover the cake in some frosting. I did put cream cheese in this frosting. And then I've made my green fondant, and I'm going to place that on top of Yoda. I like him because he's fun size, just like in the show. I was referring to my cake. My cake is super small. It's literally 1/2 of an 8-inch. So it's really small. It's like a personal cake. You can make a bunch of these if you had time. And then, you know, everybody could have a cake. I'm going to use a fondant ball tool to really go in between the sockets of the eyes and the ears and really mold it. Even as a baby, he had a lot of wrinkles and ripples throughout his forehead. I guess it's just him being whatever he is, you know. I don't know exactly what he is, but, you know, it's just part of it's a Yoda characteristics. So we're going to make those Yoda characteristics. A lot of lines in his forehead. Ripples and all, he was still adorable. So I'm going to really go deep into that fondant. And I thought of doing some shading with a darker green pigment. You can if you would like with petal dust, but I just didn't find it necessary because once again I just wanted to keep this as simple as possible without going too in detail, like I did with the Grinch cake, for instance. So he has the smallest little cutest little nose ever. It was so easy to make. It's just a little ball of fondant, and then I put it on there. I attached it with some water, and then I could create those nostrils. And I'm using this little spatula like tool that came with my fondant tool set, and I'm going to carve out his mouth. I really appreciate the fact that his mouth is small like mine. You know, it just makes me, once again, I just understand. I just understand. And I'm going to raise up that top lip just a little bit. I'm going to smooth out the fondant with another piece of fondant, because that is very true. Fondant really does get incredibly smooth when you smooth it out with another piece of fondant. His eyes are so easy. I'm so appreciative at the fact that they are just jet black eyes. So I put 2 balls of black fondant into the sockets and just patted that in place. I keep wanting to make that sound effect that goes like, but that's Sasquatch, I think. And that doesn't even sound like Sasquatch. Y'all probably said, what in the world was she just trying to do? I added 2 little white fondant dots to his eyes, and then I know that his ears are like a deeper brown, like how, you know, cats and dogs are. So I went into his ears with some orange petal dust, just to dust it lightly. And then he also has that same shade around his eyes, which I went in with using an edible marker. Now taking some tan colored fondant, I'm going to make that luxurious robe that he wears, layering one piece on top of the other, and that pretty much completes Baby Yoda. He's adorable, isn't he? Especially with those eyes. Just beaming into the future. Seeing into the galaxy. Feeling the Force. Let me know down below if you're a huge Star Wars fan and what you think about the Mandalorian so far. And maybe that will convince me to sit and watch it past that part. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Couture and a Baby Yoda cake. Bye guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This was such an adorable cake. I really don't want to cut through you, little Baby Yoda, but you still are cake. And that means that you still are delicious. So we'll see what happens in the next 40 seconds. This week's Cake Needs to Comment goes to Suzanne Weinstein on my lemon lavender cakes and cupcakes. She says 2020 is my year to spread my baking wings. That is awesome, by the way. And working on an orange olive oil. That sounds amazing. But I do want to learn a lavender cake to layer with it. That sounds good. Cakes take me a little to perfect, but this lemon lavender cake looks amazing, and it was very, very good. But what you're talking about sounds like it's gonna be fire. I love it when you guys share what you're going to be doing with me and like bring me into your world. I love it so much. Thank you so much for sharing that with me, Suzanne. I hope that you also share whatever pictures in my Kitchenaid Crew group on Facebook. I'm trying to get more followers on my Facebook page because I found a lot of old videos that got deleted before, and I don't want to put them here on YouTube because it would look like, girl, why are you posting these videos from 5 years ago? I can post them on my Facebook page, so you have to actually follow my Facebook page to see those videos. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, Kitchenaid. I'm sorry, baby Yoda, I forgot that you were there. He's like bare, he's naked on the other side. Aww. Aww. You smell good. You smell just as cute as you look. I'll fix you. This cake has been sitting out for a day, so it's a little bit stale. We're just gonna put you down.